So I recently finished my fire table, and it was quite a project. The top of it is made of concrete, and it's 1.5 inches, and the bottom I put in split face travertine. And I didn't intend on doing that because it's expensive. It's like $20 a foot. But I didn't like how the base turned out. It also was concrete. And I started out at this corner, and I wanted it to be perfect because this one was the most conspicuous. The burner on this puts out 180,000 BTU, and although right now I've got it on low, it'll raise flames up to about 2.5 feet tall and will really light up the neighborhood at nighttime, which I'll show you in a minute. But the travertine came out just really pretty. And it came in mesh sheets, pretty easy to install. Took a day to do it, and I took my time. The worst corner is back here, which is kind of hidden. Nobody's going to see it anyway. I'll put couches and outdoor furniture around it. But just to give you an idea here of what it can do, I'll turn this up a little bit. This is natural gas, by the way. There's my key. You can also run this on propane. Not this particular one, but if you were to build one, you could do it on propane. So that's not quite full. And now you can see that is a pretty good amount of flame. I've got a little breeze here, so it's blowing off to the side. The fire rock that it's burning through comes in a variety of colors. I chose blue. And everything in there is stainless steel. The burner itself is an H. It's shaped like the letter H. And you can pretty much get these however you want to, whatever dimensions and shapes and whatnot. This particular pan is 30 inches by 10 inches. And I bought it first. I bought all the parts first and built the table around it. And I wanted enough space to have some drinks around on an evening, and it came out really nice. I decided to sand the top of it a little bit to get out a little bit of the texture of it, but you could have it completely smooth. You can see there's some texture to it, some depth. So here's a nighttime view, and it's just getting dusk. So let me go over and turn it up a little bit. So you can see that it really puts out a lot of light and a lot of heat. And for the most part, I don't use it that high. Oh, it's really warm, obviously. So I'd probably put it right about there, have drinks around and conversation, and make for a very nice night.